Yeah, I'm with this here, probably looking to sell because the next level that it might go to would be here for me. Get down to there. So 1 hour. 1 hour still bare, so let's see. Okay. Should double check. Weekly, we're on weekly break. Yeah. So with my daily break here, probably that support looking to take it further down to this next level over here, long term wise. The daily break. But right now I would really looking to sell to this engulfing here. Can I get entry now? Let's see. Not quite yet. We got 1, 2, 3 upside. Yeah. Yeah, I would go for a sell. Waiting for confirmation on this. My reason being daily with bull, but we at the weekly, what I call origin, as in at the weekly break to the downside here. And this rejection was just a pullback on a daily to that origin. And then I'd like to see, to confirm a strong sell, I'd like to see a daily break, which is this. But we already got a 4 hour break, which is two time frame lower than the weekly. Already started, so obviously you always start from a small time frame, but you don't want to go too low. You know, you don't want to go to 30 minute, whatever. Our maximum goal is probably 2 time frame lower, so that's the weekly breakout origin. And this is 4 hour, so that would start. So the TP would be here at the moment when I look for sell. Trying to, where would I get in? This is a good area to get in. Might have a rejection there because got a strong break 1, 2, 3, which it did have here. So that's not fresh no more. So it should come down now, but at the moment I can't get. Well, see, it's one thing predicting to go down, and most likely, you know, you're thinking most likely to go down, but where would you sell from? You know, so always trying to find a better price. So for me, yeah, if I was gonna go and sell, look to come here, ideal. But I was waiting to get. Would they give me a pullback? Maybe not. Maybe probably won't give me a pullback. How many pips has it gone? I don't trade GJ, so how would that work out? Would that's not a gold, is it? So if you can anyone tell me how's that? How many pip that is from here, from 595 to, is that like 10 pips or is that just 1 pip? AJ should know this. AJ to trade GJ. I've never ever traded this pair. Never. 10 pips. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I used to like when I first started with ICT was this EU, GU, EG, and so on. Then 3 pair correlate with each other, and then after that we just gold, just purely gold for the last 2 years. So never really touched this pair. They said that this pair moved quite different in terms of like it can, you know, very strange. So never looked into it. So yeah, that's GJ. I'm looking for sell to come down. Let's see. Reason being my 1 hour bear, my 4 hours bear, bull was daily, but we had the weekly origin, which gave me a 4 hour break to the downside. Not a strong confirmation because I already want a daily to break down, but the 4 hours is it's good enough for me to even think about selling. So that's that. Let's go look at gold. Oh, what's going on here with all this? I didn't have this pair. Why is it on? Why is it on there? Let's go to Orlando. Yeah, gold. I know. Look at Orlando because the 4 hour with a few brokers are different. But let's see where we're at with gold. I know we're bare the weekly. I know people will argue me say different. Why? Because they're saying that this is what I'm sure they had a rejection. Someone showed me yesterday had a rejection, but that's not. Oh yeah, the candle has not closed yet, so it can't be a rejection. Don't know why they're telling me. This weekly candle's not closed yet, so there's no rejection. But I don't really look at that. To be fair, my storyline or my direction would be for the breakout. That's the last latest weekly breakout. As you can see and confirm that strongly. Engulfing fell, and on top of that, when price just retrace and another rejection. So for me, that week was there. It gave me the full cycle already in terms of like, did it give me a pullback? Yes, it did here. Did it give me a confirmation? Yes, it did on here. So we're just playing around here now at that moment, you know. So long term, why? Yeah, if we break this level of support, then I'm looking to go for my second run with it, or my third run, I should say. That's my first. Oh no, this is the daily. Sorry. Long term, why? If it does go to the full, this is what I was looking at like 3 weeks ago. The last major pullback was here, like in terms of monthly pullback, more or less 10%. And if we go there, if that was it, and then you got CMP for the monthly breakout was here. That is it. That you look kind of there. It is a bearish candle. Look on open and close. The close is lower than the open, so that is a bear candle until monthly. And we have a weekly bearish that break. So that's for me is a monthly pullback. So where would my roadblock be? I was looking at this roadblock, which I'm if it does go down, I'm thinking more likely to break. The one that concerned me, this one here, and it's right in there where the line stopped. Reason being, because before the break, you see this sideways market. Let's change that color for a bit. That's sideways. This is all sideways for a few, 2, 3, probably here 3.5 months before that. This can actually break it. So for me, this engulfing is the one for me. So that in line with that. If that was a long-term sell, but just not. That's not for me. That's too far ahead. So I only trade a 4 hour and a 1 hour. That's just something I look at if it's major sell. If we break this here, the next one will probably give me about 800 pip down. 646. Way down to here. Is that 800 pips, something like that? I was doing this the other day with my class, and we were just looking at that if we break this level. But that's just probably most likely in January. We see. Right now, where we at? We had weekly bear, right? Daily, we had a full cycle. Recent breakout was from yesterday was bullish. Did we have a sell? Did we have a bear break? Yeah, we did. So now the daily has confirmed on track with the weekly. Knowing that we at this origin, we at a previous break. So just even though my 4 hour and my 4 hours also bear. It's bear, my daily is bear. Just sometimes you gotta understand where the price is at on a high time frame. That's bear. And that's bear, so I'm looking for a sell somewhere. Let's get rid of this. Where would I sell from? Okay, right now goes 1 hour break to the upside. So where's our level? This one is just quite a strong level. Why is it a strong level? If you look, break that, even that itself is a level. But even break that, that's two. Really break that, not quite, but it's just two break or more is strong enough for me. And if you get a little drop here, when did that happen? I had to go inside and find EF and EG, which we do have here. That's an EF, right? And then obviously that's an EG. Let's change it too much. Okay, so 4 hour bear from here, which is like to see the 1 hour break to the downside first before I start selling. The 1 hour is still bullish at the moment. So gosh, here's the bullish part. Here's the bullish. Got the pullback. I want to see reject this here. Oh, which it did. That's number one. Number two, I want to see break here. Break this level. That's the confirmation. And number three, I want to see a pullback and then a confirmation on a lower time frame for me to sell. So that's the kind of ideal, the best reversal kind of setup you could find is when it's at a higher time frame level, which is here. Breakout of that level itself, which is here. That's a breakout. Come back to it, reject it, which is here, because when you come back, you got engulfing there. You create an engulfing fail here as well. And then after rejection, if you break this level, then to me, strong sell in place, full margin. I'm joking, not full margin. So wait for this to break, and then I see if I can get in on a sell on gold. Overall, should be on sell, but like I said again, this we are at this origin, so for me to scalping at the moment, I'm going in serious when they break this level. Because then you got the weekly sell, the daily sell, break out this level. This level's not fresh, not as much, and then come down. I look around here. Like if this break, that's for gold. Let's monitor that. Let's see if we can get in a trade during this session. What's going on? Okay. Anyway, anything we want to look at? Chance for gold to take that previous day high. Okay. Which is where? Let's see where previous day high is. Oh, I don't know. Where? What is it? Definitely, you know what? It might just sweep it and come down. Reason being, we got big news today, haven't we? So we have. Oh, what is it? You know, news come when big news come. Just like to do that, doesn't it? Take all the low and then go opposite way. What we got today? Wednesday. FOMC. Okay, that's definitely strong enough news to do that. So where did we say daily was? Let me have a look. This was a daily. Oh, well, yeah. You know what? It has got a good chance because this 4 hour breakout here, we haven't even closed. The candle haven't even closed up to it. So that's another thing that this bit more advanced. I like to see for the structure to remain solid for me. I like to see a candle close inside a level. So like now it just wick the level. When I say wick the level, it's wick this engulfing there. See that? I want to see it close inside it. So could you do this and then come down? Possibly. You know, because right now that's I don't want it to break this though. As in like close above that though. You know, because like that would just make me start over again because my daily just turned bearish, weekly's bearish. So we already had a full cycle in terms of like the pullback, breakout for the weekly. So I don't want it to. If that's okay, we just go sideways for a bit, which is not something you want. You want the trending market. But remember, we are where we are in terms of the year. We are in December, quiet time. You know, January the first week, first 1.5 week is quiet. So, but so it can do that obviously possibly because it's very quiet. But for me, I wanted to break this low and then show me you want to come down here. But yeah, possibly of taking a high. Yeah, with the news definitely. Yeah, if we didn't have the news today, I would thinking, ooh, not sure because we already break to the downside and we got a 30-minute break. But no, I don't think the 30-minute break to the downside yet. No, I wanted to break to the downside. You show me rejection, so I want to see it break to the downside, and it looks like it might be doing that. 3 minute. Can I get there in 3 minute? 10 pips. Let's see. Yeah, that's my ideal scenario. Rejection, break, go jump to time frame lower, pull back, confirmation, and then I'm looking to sell. So that's for gold. How's everyone doing anyway? What about daily T3? You know what? I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm kind of not looking to T3 as much no more. That's not something I kind of keep in mind no more. I'm just BTE breakout pullback entry. Only level I look at is yeah SNR and engulfing. Only classic. So yeah T3. You know that is a classic level. And you talk about this one? No, you're not talking about that one. Is it? Is it? No. That where there? Daily. Which one is it? Daily. The Monday and Monday and Tuesday. So Monday, Tuesday. No, so that's not it. That one. Which T3 you talking about, brother? Monday. Where did Monday end? Monday end here. Right, Monday coming to Tuesday. That's not a T3. T3. You look at it. Uh, that's the level. But when you go to our time frame, there's no gap in there. That's Monday 6. Monday, Tuesday here. So really, it's here. What chart? What book are you looking at? My wonder don't show me. But this got two bullish candle. It's probably open with a gap. So it open with a gap. Are you talking about this where I'm marking now? Because I can't seem to think that unless it's a different broker. Let's go to no gap there. Because this should not be starting here. This should be line up Monday and Tuesday, between Monday and Tuesday, right? So okay, so it's probably open the gap. The green line. Yeah, but how does the T3 work? Like you go one time frame lower to see if it's got a gap, right? If it doesn't have a gap, the same candle must be the first wick is higher than the second wick, right? But this, and if that still doesn't have it, you go another time lower. So even a gap, it doesn't have a gap, then you still gotta look for the first wick higher than the second wick, which is not here. So there's no T3. So yeah, let's mark. That's fine. First wick is higher than second wick. Jump to one time frame lower. If we move it, it should not be here because it should. No, actually, yeah, it should be here. That's fine. I've done it wrong because I was marking on here. Really? Yeah. Yeah, like I said, I've stopped looking at that. To be fair, has it tapped into it? No. I've stopped looking at T3 and T2 since I've gone to this. Still back in my head, don't get me wrong, but I've not really looked into it as much. Mm, you know, so I've uh, I've just gone with the pullback breakout pullback entry. So did it break? Did it 30-minute break? Oh, it didn't break. Now I gotta wait for another 30-minute. Did I break? See, I don't. That's the problem with different poker. This one looked like it broke. Yeah, because the way this one gap closed. But then you go to Rwanda. Let's see if that. I may look at Rwanda. It's not as solid. So let's see. Uh, Close of this is 45.90. Well, yeah, so that's below it. It's already gone without me. Without it will give a pullback more likely. 1 hour. Okay. Now this is what I like. Okay, it didn't quite did look like from here did close below it, but it didn't give me quite a pullback for me to enter. Well, you know what? It still can. Still can. I can still wait for. That's a big wick. I don't like this wick. Maybe. This wick. Let's see. It might come back here. See how this kind of. We got. Another thing with the breakout. When the breakout have 2, 3 breakout. Not quite close. Wrong with my mouth. I like to see it close below that and then we pull back. A breakout with a 2 SNR or EGEF, either EF form strong, 2 breakout SNR level that's strong, and then I find the come back and find the EF or EG or SNR level that caused the break, then I enter from there. So yeah, a lot of example. Um, you see that they always have reaction around there. I cannot find it. Even this year, it's got one break, two break, three break, come back, little reaction. How many pips? 20, 30 pips. But it has to be in line with the cycle, the high time trend for it to have a big run. But it is fine. Yeah. You have this here, breakout one, so we break out more back here. This here, breakout one, breakout two, come back, drop. One, two. Wait for that level. But it has to be in line with your storyline for it to give you a big run. So yeah, let's wait for this, see if we can get a sell in. There's a 4. The only thing with this sell is no candle has closed inside this area yet. But still, a setup is a setup, so I definitely would look to sell this if we go in there. I need confirmation. That's the plan. Okay, so reach myself again. If you have joined late, 4 hour bear, 1 hour pullback. When it comes to back, I have not quite touched the origin yet of the breakout, but it kind of like it's wicked one of the level. I say level EG. Show me a rejection. After rejection, I like to see the same time frame breakout. Just it's not the best breakout. There's another thing with this breakout is if it's a breakout with, so say you got that engulfing, so that's engulfing buy, right? So that's a level, and then all of a sudden you got this candle. Breakout this level, for me that's a breakout. Also form an engulfing. That is a strong hint that of direction that's going to be bearish. But in this case, you have not really a strong breakout. No, it's not really a strong breakout. Is it? No engulfing fell, and it hasn't even taken out this low here. Yeah, I'll wait for another confirmation. I want a high possibility trade. I wouldn't want to. I'm not going for that yet. So, see, when I explain to you what a strong breakout is, it's making me change my mind about this sell itself. See, that to me is a strong breakout and strong sell. Just because it's caused, engulfing fell here. You know, that to me that's doesn't know. So let's see what market share. So right now, just waiting for sell. See if any sell set up. But ideally, a better breakout than that. Did do a few breakout. And this lower time frame, just give me a golden fair here, but Ideally, I want it on a 30-minute breakout. Like this here, look. Yeah, look, see this, what we talked about earlier. Well, that's not engulfing fail, but this here, this is engulfing fail. What engulfing fail, this here has to be above that, right? The body has to be above that. Imagine the body's there, I close above that, then that's when it become engulfing buy. So this is not engulfing fail because this is not engulfing by itself, but this is engulfing buy. Price close below that, engulfing fail. So leg itself is strong sell, hence when price get back to it, drop. Same again what we talked about earlier about this break, and engulfing fail. That is what I mean by the strong breakout. Make sense, guys? I'm sure some of you know this anyway, right? Any I want to look at? Any question you want to ask? Let's have a look at this. Did I have a look at it lately? Oh. Okay. So for UJ, I believe the weekly sell. We at this origin now. And daily give you a pullback. If there's a H4 breakdown to downside, is there? Yes, there is. The first breakout was there. Form and opening sell. Where's the origin of the break? Let's look at this. Hasn't tapped that. This tapped in, go and fell and dropped so far. So that's the 4 hour. We got 1 hour, break to the upside and also break to the downside already. But it's not quite into there yet, so I'd like to see it come back further back up to come back down. Ideally, after any breakout, like this is the origin here of the breakout. I like to do the body, but then obviously the engulfing is here, so even that play on there. So I like to see 1 hour come further up. Show me a QM breakout, hint of reversal. Do not come down here yet. Come back to it and then sell from there. What I like to see. Why would I go for a sell? Reason being, my weekly was bear from here. Even though daily is bull, we are at the weekly origin, the original breakout. 4 hours show me sign of bear already because it's done a bear break. This bear break, like I said, 1, did it break that? 2, caught an EF. Price has already come back and hit the EF, so this EF is no longer fresh. So if we pull back, we will pull back to this EG. It hasn't come back to this EG yet. Not quite. Unless you... Okay, this is a pullback to EG already. Yeah. But still, I would like to come back even further to go lower. And when it does, obviously, when it does come up, the 4-hour candle will be bullish. So, want to see the 1-hour term bearish here at this origin, like this first breakout, and then come back and then sell. Where can I sell to? So if this is a 4-hour setup, where can I sell to? Where's my TP? Do we break this level? It's like to come going down here. What about now on a 1-hour? Any strong level? This sideways here. First TP. I don't really hold my trade too long, to be fair. Trade the 4-hour, 1-hour, and that's it. Okay. Let's go back to gold. This will be a strong breakout if it does this. Break, EF, and then if it does do that, well, let's hope it hasn't happened there yet. Then we still say yeah, get it in here. Be a nice sell. Right now, I only going by the 1-hour. My trading plan, I only go by the 1-hour. Well, the 4-hour direction, 1-hour setup. Whatever my setup is, whatever the 1-hour is, I like to follow that direction. Even though the 1-hour is full here, the latest one, because this one's not closed yet. Why I'm selling, because it's giving me different kind of confirmation we talked about earlier with the 30-minute reject here, 30-minute breakout. So that's the only time I would trade against a trend if there's a good range to it, and if there's signs of showing me that it's gonna be what they call reject reversal, and it shows signs of that. The only thing that was missing was that candle close inside this area. That would be the best scenario. Close inside, then come down. Does that make sense? I don't know. I don't know if it makes sense to you guys, because that's something I've been learning from BPE. I know, like T2, T3 is something we used to learn. I say use me and AJ. I don't know if you do. Have you ever look at toxic stuff, Jet Black? That's what he used to teach. I was just in his class about last year, over a year now, before I jumped onto this. Okay, AJ, Jet. If there's no question, we leave it at that. And I don't think I'm going to be doing any Zoom now till after New Year. Hence, December, get busy next week with Christmas and a bank holiday and all that. So if I don't see you guys on there, have a good one. Enjoy the holiday. Do you guys celebrate Christmas? AJ? Jet? I don't know. You do. In India, do you celebrate Christmas? My friend. Okay, nice. Yeah, you might as well on it. Yeah. Well, enjoy it, mate. Have a good time during this festival season, and I'll see you after. Okay, nice, nice. Well, yeah. Have a great Christmas and Happy New Year. If we don't hear from you, I'll probably come back the second week of January to the live. So yeah, thanks, mate. You too. All right, take care, bro. See you all.